In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Notion in just 5 minutes. Notion is a fantastic tool for organizing your thoughts, projects, and documents in one connected workspace. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who enjoys staying organized, personalizing your Notion workspace with a font that suits your style can make a huge difference. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your connected workspace for Wiki, Docs, and projects. You can do this by going to the Notion website. Once you're there, you should see an option to log in if you're not already logged in. Click on the Login button and enter your credentials. If you need to, you can sign up straight from there as well. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Notion homepage. From the Notion home, you'll want to go ahead and click on whichever page you wish to modify. This could be anything from a project timeline to a simple to-do list or a personal journal page. Don't worry, this process works the same for any type of page within Notion. After you've selected a page, look towards the top right corner of that page. You'll see a three-dot icon, sometimes known as the Options menu, or the More button. Go ahead and click on this icon. It's your gateway to customization, and where you'll find the settings to change the fonts. Once you click on the three-dot icon, a menu will pop up that allows you to tweak various settings for your page. You'll see a section dedicated to fonts. In this section, Notion provides 3 font options that you can choose from. Each font has a distinct look and feel, so pick the one that aligns with your intended vibe for the page. Whether you're aiming for something modern and clean or more classic and formal, one of these options should suit your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the font on your Notion page. This simple adjustment can make your workspace feel more personalized and enhance the readability of your notes and tasks. Keep exploring these settings if you want to further personalize your space with color themes, cover pages, and more. Thank you for following along with this guide. I hope you find your new font choice makes your Notion experience even better. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and helpful guides like this one. Until next time, happy Notioning!